far, keep it close. To me and you, let's make a toast.
Start with a thin layer of foundation across your face. And use a dry beauty blender to blend everything in place. This foundation is light to medium coverage, so I use a dry sponge to maximize the coverage. And I would highly recommend you try different application technique for your favorite foundation to see different results. On to the next step, apply concealer onto the outer corners of your eyes at a slightly upward angle towards your temple, and also at the inner corners of your eyes. And chin. If you have a huge inflamed pimple like mine, apply concealer on top of it and wait till it's semi-dry to blend. Then use a smaller sponge on the flat side. Feather the concealer at the outer corner and work your way in towards the apples of your cheeks. Then use a pointy side, do a tapping motion to blur out the edges of your concealer. And also onto the inner corners of your eyes, feather it down to the side of your nose. Also, your chin. As for the pimple, I'm using a brush, gently tap the product around the pimple for a maximum coverage. Now I'm going to set my face with translucent powder onto the area when it tends to shine, and also where I place my concealer. Moving on to the brows, spray your spoolie brush with water and rub the brush against the product. Then comb your brows backwards to coat the hair properly. Next, brush the spoolie through your brows using upward motion to fix the shape. Next, placing your angle brush on the side of your nose and aligning it to the outer corners of your eyes, and draw a dot. And fill them in at the end of your eyebrows. It should be perpendicular to the edge of your nose and the outer corners of your eyes. Then draw a thin line to mimic your hairline to create a fuller brows. Once you're done, gently press the hair down to lock them in. Moving on to the eyeshadow, apply one shade darker than your skin color onto the lid and feather it upwards towards the inner parts of your brows. And also towards the temple. And use whatever left on the brush, apply it onto the lower lash line. Next, look straight to the mirror and apply reddish brown color just above the inner half of your eyes, following your eye shape. This technique is perfect for hooded eyes and also monolids. And use whatever left on the brush, apply it along the lower lash line. Then use a fluffy brush to fill it in.
Swing through the trees with me tonight, my darling. Flow in the breeze with me for life, my darling. We can take it too far.
Then look straight to the mirror, mark 45 degrees angle towards the tail of your eyebrows with a dark brown eyeshadow. And also at the edge of your iris for a perfect wing.
Flow in the breeze.
And connect the dots.
Darling. far, keep it close to me and you. Let's make a toast and get a little bit of this jungle fever. Get a little bit of this jungle fever. Way too hot and you know I need you to get a little bit of this jungle fever. Get a little bit of this jungle fever.
Next, apply the second layer at the outer corners of your eyes to darken it. Then use a first brush to feather the edges of your eyeshadow.
Jamal and Bella, mix it around, get chocolate, vanilla, cookies and cream.
Next, apply shimmer metallic color onto the center of your eyes and angling the eyeshadow slightly outwards for a lifted illusion. And use a fluffy brush to tap the edges of the eyeshadow to blur the harsh lines.
Pour a little milk in my cappuccino.
Then line your waterline with a salmon eyeliner
James.
and also onto the eye bag, following your eye shape to make your eyes appear bigger.
Stand, baby, just different shades of a dark tan, baby. And ain't it flawless? History, we a part of the progress. Even though we get looks like
Then apply vanilla color onto the brow bones and also at the inner corners of your eyes.
baby with no context, they don't understand us. They got no
Next, apply pink shimmer pencil liner onto the center of your lower lash line
what you say.
and also at the inner corners of your lower lash line.
Baby without no context, escape from the nonsense to live in my conscience.
After you curl your lashes, apply black mascara onto the upper lashes and the mocha color mascara onto the lower lashes. This will help to make your makeup look less intense.
Get a little bit of this.
Then apply your favorite false lashes.
Swing through the trees, swing through the trees with me.
Once you're done, apply black eyeliner to fill in the gaps between your real and false lashes. For the inner corners, saturate the point of the liner to give an illusion of your eyes angling downwards towards your nose bridge. Moving on to the face, apply contour color that is 2 shades darker than your skin. Start from the inner corners of your brows and bring it down to the tip of your nose.
To me and you, let's make a toast and get a little bit of this jungle.
And also under the tip of your nose. Then apply a thin layer of nude peach color on top of your cheekbones, following the hollows of your cheeks as a contour. And use whatever left on the brush, apply it onto the tip of your nose. Time for the highlighter. Apply a thin layer of glow highlighter onto your nose bridge, chin, and cheekbones. Moving on to the lips, use a brush to fill in your lips with a red lipstick. Using a brush will create a tinted effect and less pigmented, and I highly recommend this color for any skin tone because it's really pretty. Then press your lips together and apply pressed powder with a sponge around the lip line. And also each corners of your lips to make your lips appear more anime-like. Then use a thin layer of lip gloss at the center of your lips and press it together. After 10 minutes, the gloss will blend with the pressed powder, which make a perfect gradient. So that's pretty much it. And just in case you guys are wondering why the hair and the outfit change, is literally because I forgot to film an outro last week. And honestly speaking, I have no idea where the outfit went. Yeah, I really need to clean my room. Anyway, I would love to say thank you so much to every single one of you who commented on the music video that I was in. I read all of them and you have no idea how much it meant to me. And at the same time, I did read all of the comments on my previous video and I did try to incorporate them, for example, like the brows and the cool tone makeup. So if you have other suggestions on what should I film next, it can be makeup tutorial or even hair tutorial, because we both know that this is a clipped-in hair extension. So if you want a tutorial on this, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I linked all the makeup in the description box for you guys. And if you want to see more of me, please click subscribe and turn on notification bell. And yeah, follow me on social media too. That was a mouthful. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!